But I will tell
That's
you,
awesome. Yeah.
last night I was having dinner on the Riverwalk with our lovely Deborah Knapp.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden the rain started coming down, and I'm like, wait, what's going on?
Ryan didn't tell me about this. Did you?
Or you did, and I wasn't paying attention, so there's that.
Which happens a lot, by the way. Did you get a lot of rain?
It was nice, actually, yeah. And I was sitting outside, but luckily we had an umbrella, but it was a nice downpour.
That's good, yeah. So we have some rain out there, but now it's moving farther east away from San Antonio. It was the overnight event from about 10 p.m. To about 4 a.m. was our best window in San Antonio for seeing rain. It was because of front moving through, and that's why it's a little cooler out there right now. It's 63. Keep in mind, yesterday we hit about 79 for an official high in San Antonio, and I do think we go from 63 to about 68 today, so about 10 degrees cooler. It'll be a little breezy, winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour. And here is the last 12 hours. I'll let it loop again. And around 5 a.m., actually, let's rewind this back and let's see. This is the last 3 hours. So you'll see radar pretty quiet. However, as I put the last 12 hours on and let that loop real quick, the storms formed really quickly from the south, and around 10 o'clock last night from downtown San Antonio to St. Hedwig. That's where the brunt of the storms really moved through. The west side didn't really cash in on much rain, but right there around 12 a.m. around the midnight hours when a lot of storms formed out east, and it started around the downtown area around 10 p.m. last night. So big story. Radar active mostly near Houston. So this is finally at about 7:10 to 7:15 in the morning as the latest loop on radar. Now it's all down I-10 towards Houston. A few storms out near Victoria, Edna, and southeast of Cuero and Highway 77. How much rain did we receive? And as Henry mentioned, around the downtown area, a good amount of rainfall, maybe about 1/10 of an inch of rain out near downtown San Antonio, near the Alamo Dome and the Riverwalk. Towards Lavernia, that's where the brunt of the storm really formed. And radar estimates around 7 inches in just about an hour or two. That was a strong storm that formed. And I live on the northeast side, so near, let's say, Bulverde Road, east of 281. We picked up a pretty good downpour. That was about 1/10 of an inch of rainfall or so, maybe near a quarter in some of those isolated areas. Okay, rain chances from now on after today, very low, 10 to 20%. Some isolated showers tomorrow and Tuesday ahead of our next big cold front. Today, there may be a sprinkle, mainly in the morning as this system clears, but the clouds will remain. Highs in the upper 60s. A lot cooler than yesterday. Winds a little breezy, around 5 to 15 miles an hour, and mostly cloudy. So a mixture of sunshine and clouds for your Sunday. It's going to be nice end to the weekend, and again, a little cooler. So hour by hour. By today, middle 60s, northeast winds. By tonight, maybe some clearing. Maybe you can see some stars out there. And then by next week, after Tuesday, is when the change arrives. Colder air moves in from the north, which, by the way, on forecast guidance, looks pretty good. A low sweeps across the plains Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, reinforcing and driving a very nice pattern back in San Antonio. And you'll see it brings back the sunshine. Wednesday, 68, 64 on Thursday, 59 on Friday, and then even colder next weekend, 52. And then look at this, Henry. Morning lows back in the 30s.
Chilly start.
Get the sweaters out.
Yeah, sweater weather, finally. Listen, I was still rocking mine even last night, and it was still warm. I'm like, I'm going to wear it. You know? Got to wear the Grinch. You got to wear it.
You have to.
You know? It's the only